All right, that was just my Sara Lee classic pound cake. Now I'm gonna bring in my 13 by 9 pan and I'm gonna put all of my cut up pound cake right into my pan. Go ahead and move your pound cake around so you get a nice layer in the bottom of your pan. You can kind of, squish it down if you feel the need to. Next, coming in with 2 cans of strawberry pie filling. You can use whatever pie filling you like. I just love strawberry for this, but I've also used blueberry and apple, and those taste amazing just as well. I wanna make sure we get all of that delicious strawberry out, so go ahead and grab a spatula and empty out your cans. Now we're gonna spread this out evenly on top of our pound cake. Now, if you don't like pound cake, you can use angel food cake. You can make a nice, delicious yellow cake, whatever you like, you can use that. Oh my goodness, those strawberries smell incredible.
The aroma is outrageous.
Oh yeah. Now we're coming in with my favorite ingredient in the whole world, the Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake. I could eat this whole tub just by itself, but I'm not going to. And we are gonna put this right on top of our strawberry pie filling. Oh yeah, we got cake, we got strawberries, and we got cheesecake. This is gonna be your go-to summer no-bake dessert. I mean, I could eat this every single day, no matter what the weather is.
And we only can find that at Walmart too.
Yeah, I've only found that no-bake cheesecake at Walmart. So check your Walmart next to the cream cheese. That's where it'll be. And let's go ahead and spread this no-bake layer right on top of our pie filling. Oh my goodness. Like I said, you could do whatever pie filling. Cheesecake tastes good with lemon. It tastes good with blueberry. It tastes good with every single pie filling they have. Okay, we're doing the best we can. It's okay if they kind of blend together because that's just gonna make it extra delicious. Oh my, okay. This looks like a big chunk right here. Let's move it a little bit more forward so that it's more even, and that looks just about right. And we gotta do a little taste test. I can't help myself. Okay, we're almost done here. We're just gonna add something light and creamy. We have the extra creamy Cool Whip. I like the extra creamy because it doesn't need as much time to thaw out as the regular one. And you guys know me, I like quick and easy. So let's go ahead and put this whole 8 ounces of Cool Whip right on top. Kind of do the same thing we did with the cheesecake and do dollops so that we can get it evenly spread out. Oh yeah, it's gonna be delicious, you guys. I love me some Cool Whip. You can obviously make your own homemade whipped cream if that's your style. That's always an option. Sometimes I choose to, sometimes I choose not to, depending on how I'm feeling during the day. And today is a Cool Whip day, not a homemade day, okay? Let's go ahead and get this nice and spread out. And then we have one quick topping, and then this is ready for the fridge. It's almost like a strawberry shortcake. It's so good. Okay. Last but not least, we gotta add some fresh strawberries. It is summertime. They are ripe and they are delicious. So we're gonna add our sliced strawberries right on top. You can make a little design, but I'm just gonna kind of put them on here super quickly so that we can get this in the fridge and get it ready for eating. Oh my. All right, we just placed our last one, and now this is gonna go in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. All right, you guys, it is time to dig into our beautiful strawberry cheesecake no-bake summer dessert. I cannot wait to eat this. It's gonna be so delicious.
How long was it in the fridge for?
I left it only for about an hour because I couldn't wait any longer.
I respect that.
Oh my goodness, doesn't that look amazing?
Looks so good.
Okay, got a little too excited. It is time to try this incredible dessert. We got the fresh strawberries, the cheesecake no-bake, the strawberry pie filling, the pound cake. Cannot wait.
It's a big bite.
Oh my goodness.
Is it good?
This is so good, you guys. And the longer you keep it in the fridge, the better it'll get because that cake will just soak up all that deliciousness. You gotta try it.